Yo, it's crazy, man. Now, all of a sudden, people coming out the woodworks trying to find these Air Jordan 12 blueberries. We have to talk about this in today's video. I'm actually lost. Like, I don't know what's going on, where the shift, where the energy change. It's just crazy. You know what I'm saying? We got to talk about it. Stick around, stay tuned. Let's hop into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. And I got to come up on here and chop it up with you guys about today's release over the Air Jordan 12 Blueberries, Game Royals, whatever you do want to call them. And it just caught me by surprise. I didn't expect to see what happened today. It's just crazy to me, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now, I need everybody to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and do your boy a solid and leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. And keep your boy, you know what I'm saying, spirits high. Keep me motivated, you know what I'm saying? So I do appreciate y'all for, you know, all the support you guys have been showing. And we're going into 2025 with a bang, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a bunch of releases. We're going to have a lot of early looks. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be definitely a fun one. All right, guys. So you guys see what happened today. The Air Jordan 12 Blueberries flew. I'm talking about they flew. And I knew the energy was going to be a little bit different when I seen how fast they did sell out on the Nike sneakers app. You guys know we got the Air Jordan 12 Cherries last year. And I guess Nike said, hold on, man. We can flip it a little bit. We can give it another little color on it. Make another hood classic. And they threw the blue on there, and you got the blueberries, you got the cherries. Now I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like a green apple, you know what I'm saying, Air Jordan 12 sometime soon. That's gonna be fire, I ain't gonna lie. That's low-key gonna be hard if they do it like a candy apple or a green apple, you know, Air Jordan 12. But you guys know what's up, right? You know the theme, you know where they took the inspiration from, the Air Jordan 12s. One of my favorite Air Jordan 12s of all time. We waited a long time for this release. And that's why I come to today on this release, and these blueberries drop. It's not OG colorway. I don't think we ever seen anything like that. We do have the French blues that did come out. I gotta pull those out the closet. I gotta show y'all them. I think we get those next year as well. But we ain't got no blueberry Air Jordan 12s before. You guys know the whole notion and the whole move this year is, oh, I don't want nothing unless it's OG. I ain't gonna touch it. I'm gonna watch what I buy. And it just happens to be these Air Jordan 12 blueberries, probably one of the most sought after Air Jordan releases of the month. You guys see what happened to the Legend Blues. People was passing up on them things. And I think that's mainly the retail tag being $230. You're paying like $250 out the door. It's kind of steep. So people say, you know what? I'm gonna pass on Legend Blues. I can get those later. And I'm gonna focus on these Air Jordan 12s. And a couple Air Jordan 12s I did want to show y'all. Of course, you guys know the Cherry 12s. They kind of have that same treatment. It's like one of them hood classics. Like one of those joints that everybody come out to get. Of course, you know, we get those Jordan 11s during the holiday season. We're not really used to getting any Air Jordan 12s during this time. That's why I think the Air Jordan 12 did really, really good. The blueberries, and they did really, really good this go around because of the time frame. You got the cherries, and they got some opposite of it, the blueberries. You know what I'm saying? So I think that was an excellent pitch from Nike. We seen it with the Air Jordan 5. All red joints, and then, you know, a couple months later they dropped the all blue joints. It's just something that we always seen Nike doing. If something is working, they're gonna try to finesse us in, you know, in their ways, you know what I'm saying? And then another Air Jordan 12 that I wanted to point out is these Air Jordan 12 royalties. You guys know they look exactly like the Air Jordan 12 taxis, which we will be getting next year, and people went crazy over these as well. We all know why, because it looks like a taxi. That's why I'm a little confused on how these blueberries kind of turned out the way it did. I honestly did not expect this release to go how it was. I'm calling around, I'm going to the city gears, and they got pairs. Everything is sold out. I think I still might have hope tomorrow going into Foot Locker. You know what I'm saying? Some people might not have picked up their confirmed pairs. I usually always hit on FLX. I've entered my little 10 extra points. You know what I'm saying? I, you know, get secured that dub. I can walk in there and grab them things. But this go around, I took an L on FLX, and I'm calling around. Ain't nobody got pairs. But I might, you know, double back tomorrow and see if they do have anything sitting, because these blueberry 12s is low-key fire. You know what I'm saying? I know people gonna say, oh, you only like them because, you know, they sold out and stuff. That's not the case. This is a crazy time we're living in. If a shoe sell out and somebody don't got it, they only want it now because it's sold out, or if a shoe is limited, that's the only reason somebody likes it. It's just crazy. You can't do nothing in this sneaker community without making somebody else mad. It's kind of weird at the end of the day. But hopefully here soon we do touch the blueberry 12, see what them things is talking about. And I think it's cool to have the cherries and the blueberries, you know what I'm saying? A nice little, you know, they go hand in hand together, you feel me? But I can't believe I got this far in today's video without asking you guys, did you secure a pair of these Air Jordan 12s today? Let me know down below in the comment section. The resale prices isn't bad at all. So if you want something, you know, if you want these, I would go to the malls tomorrow, you know what I'm saying, see all those unconfirmed pairs, and then see if you can get your size. If not, I'll hit up GOAT, hit the local sneaker shops, resale shops and stuff like that, and see if you can get a nice little steal on them, because they're going for around like $240 to $230 right now. And I definitely feel like this is one of those releases, if you didn't put your footwork in, if you try to, you know, sleep on a release and say, you know, like me, I'm waiting till the release date to get them, because that's how it happened for the Fear 4s. That's how it happened for a bunch of the past, you know, GRs and classic releases this year. You can just go into the mall and you can get a pair. But for these blueberry 12s, it's a whole totally different story. So I'm actually confused. I don't know what happened. This is the first time I've seen something like this. I know there wasn't, you know, a crazy amount of pairs, like a million pairs like Legend Blues, but still nothing limited. It's something we have not seen before, and it actually translated well throughout the, you know, the community, because people actually like these. So I don't know if people are gonna be in the comments saying you only like them because they sold out, or figure out something else to talk trash about. It's a lose-lose situation when you do YouTube. People critique everything you say, they run with it, and they try to make you like the villain. But hey, it is what it is. Let me know how you feel about these blueberry 12s. I'm here for it. Yes, this is a release we did not expect to happen how it did. But yeah, this definitely happened, bro. These blue sneakers this year have been going crazy. People's going crazy for these blueberry Air Jordan 12s, man. But I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Like I said, let me know how you feel about this release. Let me know if it kind of caught you by surprise, because it definitely caught me by surprise. Make sure you sub up, hit the notification bell, give a huge like on today's video. I got a nice early look coming for you guys soon, and I have a very, very interesting video for you guys coming up that I deserved, you know, what happened to me had happened, because I made a rookie mistake. So we got to talk about that in an upcoming video. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for tapping in to today's video, and I'm going to catch you in the next one, man.